When men come together, step out into nature with the strength and the courage that it takes to face themselves and the truth of where they're at, powerful transformation happens. They call this a liminal space, a moment in space and time where true transformation can take place through the process of masculine initiation and eye to eye, honest brotherhood. Men are transformed, men are reborn. They let go of the things that are holding them back. They let go of the things that are keeping them stuck and move into the new, real, authentic, more confident, stronger version of themselves. This October, 8 men are going to join me in a liminal space, in a sacred moment here for the Still Waters Deep Roots Retreat, where we're going to go in and do that serious work. The serious work that men long for, that inner work, that inner transformation, that brotherhood, it's all going to be found right here. In October, 8 men will be here for 4 days doing that serious work. Bioenergetics for body, mind, healing. Fire circle discussions, guided for real transformation. It's not therapy. This is real, raw, masculine conversation. And then we're going to go out into the river. We're going to float around. We're going to go into silence, into stillness, into peace, so that we can come back home with more clarity, with more calmness, and more confidence in who we are and what our mission is out in the world. With much love, I invite you to join us. If you feel the calling, if you feel the tug, go to bodymindconfidence.com or click on the link below. You won't regret it. This is powerful stuff. Peace.